This is a TDA2003 and I bought it just a 60 cents. Look at this spec, guys. It can deliver up to 10 watt and maximum voltage is 15 volt. This is circuit. I'll build it today. Guys, you can follow this step of the diagram. At least make sure you have all of this. First step, put it into heatsink because you don't want it to blow up away. Next step, just following the diagram. Alright guys, so I don't have a potentiometer. I'll use two resistors here. And for this test, I will use 12 volt. Just a Bluetooth noise. Let's go to the test space. Alright guys, so I will check the waveform. I think it looks not pretty good. Looks so weird. This is garbage.